She's an oldie, but a goodie, and the ultimate go-to for any wig maven. She's the classic middle part wig. I'm Janel Smith, Kiss Color & Care's resident hair expert, and I'm showing you how to properly lay a bust-down middle part with edges. As you can see, we've already secured her wig cap with the Kiss Colors & Care 2-in-1 hair styling and lace freezing spray. Its formula covers all your hairstyling needs and is strong enough to secure your wig. After your wig cap is laid, add a few spritz of our lace tinting spray. It comes in 4 versatile colors, so choose the one that best matches your skin tone. Next, start laying your lace starting at the ears and working your way across. Next, you'll want to apply your lace bond glue around the front perimeter in little dots. Using the edge of your pintail comb, smooth out your lace glue evenly across the hairline and allow it to get tacky. It's a fast drying formula that is both sweat and humidity proof. After the wig is properly secured, and make sure to properly secure your wig, tie your lace melting headband and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You've got to let that lace melt for the seamless effect. While she's melting, you're going to want to use the Edge Fixer wax stick to smooth down the middle part so it is nice and flat as possible. I like to use a hot comb to make sure it's extra flat. When your base has dried, remove the melting headband to swoop those baby hairs with our award-winning Edge Fixer gel, and you are all done. It'll be giving scalp and baby girl realness. Go ahead and share this link with your girls and visit kisscolors.com for more pro tips from yours truly.